How's it going, everybody? And thank you for stopping by. In this video, I wanted to take just a couple of minutes and introduce who I am and what we're doing here at Simplified Networking. So here at Simplified Networking, we are geared towards just technology, right? So what we want to do is make sure that we understand what's going on and the details behind it. So this site is basically designed to help you become a better engineer around information technology. That's really the main driver behind the site. It's completely free. I'm doing this because of the fact that I like to do it, and really it doesn't cost a whole lot. So if you have been following me for any period of time, or maybe you're brand new, my name is Rob Riker. I am a CCIE in routing and switching, currently working on the service provider track as we speak, and I've got a number of other certifications. Now, CCNP and service provider, a couple CCNAs, got some VMware background and stuff like that. Well, what I really want to take just a couple of minutes and break down simplified networking. What is simplified networking? Well, overall, we're just focused on the technology understanding. So our main goal is to help you understand the technology itself and how it works. So the focus here is breakdown versus video on demand. So if you are looking for a breakdown to how something actually works, the underlying configuration, and so on and so forth, then you can go to the technology breakdown, where it's broken down into bite-sized nuggets where you can focus on routing and switching or enterprise infrastructure. If you're looking on the service provider track, you can focus on the service provider track, and or if you're looking at data center or wireless or security, eventually those tracks will come out, as well as I have time to test out a technology and stuff like that. Now, there will be associated videos that come out as well. So right now we're focusing on Cisco routing and switching. So if you, for example, came here, and I'm going to highlight some stuff that I know is actually going to work. If you go to technology, enterprise infrastructure, and then you go to VPN technologies, for example. Here you're brought to the VPN technologies, and right now we're focused on spinning up some DMVPN. So if you were to click on DMVPN, which I will in just a moment, right here in this file, this is going to be the topology file. So you just click download, it'll be a PDF file of the PDF that's going to be visible in the videos and inside of the labs. So if I click on DMVPN here, it's going to be redirected, and you're brought to the DMVPN page. And if you simply click on the link, you'll be brought to the initial setup. As more and more labs are built, you'll see more and more links show up on this page right here to help you understand what's going on. So DMVPN initial setup. This is the topology file you'll be given. This is just a picture of it. The PDF is downloadable. You guys can go ahead and take a look at that at your own leisure. And here is the configuration. There's some behind the scenes details as to how this particular lab is built. It's currently a work in progress. I'm still building all this stuff out. So as we go through the video, this is the configuration you need in order to get things to work. Now, let's say, for instance, you're like, okay, why do I need all this? You can go back to the technology video on demand, go to Cisco, and then enterprise route switch, and then click on VPN technologies, and then click on DMVPN, and then click on phase 1 configuration, for example. You want to focus on a specific thing, and then here I have a link to the technology breakdown. So if you're like, maybe you come here first, and then you go over to the initial configuration, I bring you back to this page so you can have this pulled up, and then you can be going through the video. It links you to a YouTube video that I record, I upload, and I embed here on the website for your viewing pleasure. That's pretty much how this works. So as you're going through a particular technology or what have you, you can go ahead and take a look at that. Another example would be data center. I go to here. Well, the only thing that I can really play with and demonstrate in data center is the Nexus 9000V. I click on the Nexus 9000V, and then I click on enabling features, where I literally show you some the configuration on the Nexus 9000V and what some of the different capabilities are. So here's just some of the different features that are enabled and not enabled, and what that would look like, so you know whether or not what you're trying to do is actually working, things like that. So those are just a couple of real brief basics as to what the videos are doing. I will embed this on the home page right here, so you guys will be able to watch this as you're going along and stuff like that. Thank you so much for stopping by, and until next time, guys, take it easy.